Bala's Journal Summer Special Series. Healthy Carrot Milkshake.
One, two, three, go.
Hi friends!
Name, actual name.
My
name
name's
Bala.
Bala. And welcome to Bala's Journal.
Guys, milkshakes.
Today we are going to make a carrot milkshake. Let's move on to the ingredients. First, we need one big chopped up and peeled carrot, and we need to boil it. We are boiling it because some people do not like the smell of raw carrots. Then we need 1 cup of boiled and chilled milk. Then take 3 to 4 cashews and 1 date. Soak it in water for about 1 hour. And if you guys want more sweetness, you guys can add raw sugar. And then we need 1 to 2 drops of vanilla extract. Raw sugar is optional. If you guys want, you guys can add it. Now let's take a look at how to make our carrot milkshake. First step, take your blender and add our boiled carrots with the water. Then take our soaked dates and cashews and add it. Now let's blend it. Then it will turn into a fine paste. Then we can add our cold glass of milk. Now our carrots, dates, and cashews have turned into a smooth paste. Now let's add our cold glass of milk and our vanilla essence. Now let's blend it again. Now our carrot milkshake is ready. Let's pour it into the jug. Open it. Now our carrot milkshake is ready. It is very healthy. Carrots have so many benefits and so many vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin D. It helps you improve your eyesight, your skin, and also it gives you easy digestion for kids. If you guys think this carrot milkshake looks yummy and healthy, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.